Abhindranath Tagore. Abhindranath Tagore was born in the Tagore family in 1871. He was the first major artistic figure of modern India and evolved a national style based on Indian traditional painting and offer an alternative to Western stylistic norms. He was the creator of Bengal School of Painting and restored national pride by reviving the greatness of traditional Indian painting. Abhindranath received formal training in pastel, watercolor, and life study under an Italian artist. He also learned oil painting and portrait from an English professional artist. Professor E.V. Havell was the principal of Art College of Calcutta. He was greatly impressed by his versatility and offered him the post of vice principal, the first India to be so chosen. Under his guidance, Abhindranath studied the Rajput and Mughal school of painting. Afterwards, he began a series of painting based on Krishna Leela and followed by Arabian Nights series, which fused myth and the contemporary life of Calcutta. He evolved a new style of painting by fusing the technique of tempera with the Japanese technique of wash, which left no shadows and created a dream world of soft colors. Some of his great paintings are Death of Shah Jahan, Ganesh Janani, Bharat Mata, Radha Krishna, and others. As Mahatma Gandhi called the father of nations, so Abhindranath can be called the father of modern Indian painting. Shatindranath Majumdar. Shatindranath Majumdar was born in 1891. One of the early students of Rabindranath Tagore, was a distinguished artist of Bengal school, and his painting was mainly derived from literary, religious, narrative traditions or eternal themes of Radha and Krishna and Sri Chaitanya. Shatindranath was born in rural Bengal in Namita village, which is situated in West Bengal. During his childhood, he was raised in a rural environment and received no formal education. He gained his creativity in the art from rural yatras and kirtan, devotional hymns performed by indigenous religious communities. In 1921, Shatindranath was appointed as a principal of Indian Society of Oriental Art, Calcutta, and from 1942 to 1964 he remained head of the department at Allahabad University. Ram Gopal Vijayvargiya. Ram Gopal Vijayvargiya was born in 1905 at Baler, a small village in Madhupur district in Rajasthan. At a very early age, he has keen interest in the art of painting. He drew figures and rural landscape in red pencil. When Ram Gopal decided to become an artist, his father got his admission in the Maharaj School of Arts and Crafts, Jaipur. In the final year, Ram Gopal finished the 5 year of course in 8 months duration. In his art school days, Ram Gopal illustrated an interesting episode of Meghdoot, which he showed to his principal. Mr. Day asked the reason of cloud messenger who conveyed Yaksh's message to his consort. Ram Gopal realized that keen observation, complete knowledge of subject, and a sense of composition were essential elements for an artist. Around 1925, his early illustrations were influenced by Abhindranath's lyrics of Geet Govind, the couplets of Omar Khayyam, and the epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata. And his favorite theme was Meghdootam Cloud Messenger of classical poet Kalidas. Muhammad Abdul Rahman Chagtai. He was born in 1897 in the Chagtai family in Lahore, whose ancestor was the chief architect of Shah Jahan, who designed Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and Jama Masjid. By his own ideomate will and efforts, he became an artist of worldwide fame. He had been to Europe to learn painting, but the philosophy behind European art did not seem impressive. He came back to India and joined Bengal School of Painting under Abhindranath Tagore. He learned the wash method from the Ulkai brothers of Delhi. Later on, he left the Bengal school to develop his own method based on the calligraphic line of Mughal manuscript and old Persian paintings. He developed the wash technique to give it a more sensuous quality. His style can be called decorative. The subject matter in some of his work is based on Hindu mythology and other are codified as illustrations of the poetic works of Mirza Ghalib, Iqbal, and Omar Khayyam. He organized exhibition of his work in London, Berlin, Paris, and Philadelphia. He left India after partition and lived permanently in Lahore, where he died in 1975. Some of his paintings are The Lamp and the Moon, Princes of Sahara, Prince Salim, Hermit, Rose and Wine, poet Tulsidas, and others. His paintings are poetic creation full of beauty and imagination to evoke a sense of pleasure on the beholder.